Here I have Nissan Ariya NISMO, and let me show you how to customize the destination menu on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using here the home screen. Let's find and select the settings icon. If you tap the settings, you've got access to the following list of settings, and here let's swipe and choose here the customize menus. So from the following menu, you can choose to customize the home screen, the audio sources, the lower menu bar, and also the destination menu. So let me use the destination menu, the last option. And as you can see here, I've got the charging stations, parking, restaurants, coffee shops, transport, fast food, or the street address. I can, for example, remove one of them, for example, parking, and add some new one. It could be the point of interest, address book, go to work, saved routes, by map, or for example, the latitude. Let me choose, for example, by map. So by map is added. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.